Hi, I'm Vivian Chen, one of the Marketing and Admissions Managers at Trinity College Foundation Studies. In this clip, I'm going to cover some of the most frequently asked questions. I hope you will find this information useful. Melbourne has a very comprehensive public transport system compared to other Australian cities. We have trams, buses, and trains. To use public transport in Melbourne, you will need to get a Myki card, which is available for sale in all 7-Eleven stores, major train, tram and bus stations, and also shops with a Myki sign. If you travel by public transport on a daily basis, you may want to consider getting a weekly, monthly or annual Myki pass. If you're staying close to the campus and don't need to use public transport every day, you may just want to top up your Myki card as you go. You must touch on and off to pay your fare and ensure that you're travelling with a valid card. On the trams in the city, you must touch on at the Myki reader at the start of your journey. For more information on how to use Victoria's public transport system, please visit ptv.big.gov.au. Most banks these days offer international students the option to open a bank account online prior to their arrival. Major banks like NAB, Commonwealth and ANZ offered this option. To activate your account on arrival, you will need to visit a branch with your passport. Some banks may require you to provide proof of address. Most banks offer students bank accounts with no monthly fees, but they may require you to prove your student status with your student ID or your enrollment record. There are many telecommunications providers in Australia. Most postpaid phone plans involve a 12 to 24-month contract, so please do choose carefully and always read the terms and conditions. For advice on how to choose a plan that suits you, visit choice.com.au. The advice on choice.com is free, but if you want to access the reports on products and services, you will need to subscribe as a member. mobile-phone.the-age.com.au is a page set up by the Age newspaper for comparing mobile phone plans. If you have trouble deciding on a plan, it might be a good idea to start with a prepaid starter kit to understand your usage pattern before deciding on a postpaid plan. Students will be given a book list on arrival. Your lecturer will let you know the textbooks that you need to purchase. You can purchase most of your textbooks from the Co-op, previously known as the Book Room, located on the ground floor of the Baillieu Library at the University of Melbourne. Alternatively, you may be able to purchase second-hand books from our past students. Trinity students can enjoy the sporting facilities at Melbourne Uni at a fee. But you may also want to check out what sporting facilities and fitness programs are available within your local area. If you live near the campus, you may want to consider visiting the Carlton Baths, Brunswick Baths, and the Melbourne City Baths to compare their pricing and facilities. Our students are welcome to use the University of Melbourne's health services, which provide excellent medical services for students. You will need to make an appointment to see a GP, and your basic medical consultation will be fully covered by OSHC WorldCare without the need for you to make a claim. It is important that you read your policy and are aware of what is covered and what is not. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us via one of our social media pages or forward your questions through our inquiry page. We hope you will enjoy your time in Melbourne.